Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to delete TikTok messages from both sides after 3 minutes. So for example, if you send a message on TikTok and after that you want to delete it, then there is a feature on TikTok that you can simply delete. If you delete within 3 minutes, then that message will be deleted from both sides on TikTok. But if has been past 33 minutes, then you will not be able to delete it from other sides, but you can simply delete it from your side, and the message will be available to other person if it has been 3 minutes. So if you want to delete after 3 minutes, how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings, and here you have to go to general, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to simply click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply go back. Now what you have to do, you have to open the app store here, and here you have to check whether you have installed the latest version of the TikTok app or not. And if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update the TikTok app. And after updating the TikTok app, then you have to open TikTok app, and after that you have to simply open the messages from here. And after that you have to simply send a message to that person. For example, if you send a message, and here you can simply see that there is the option available that you can simply send the message to that person. After that you can simply press and hold that message, and after that here you can simply find option here, delete for all. So here is written your messages can be deleted within 3 minutes after sending. They may have already seen or forwarded, and they may also be reported. But if it had been 3 minutes, then you will not be able to delete them from other side. Now if you want to delete, then what you have to do, you have to first of all send a message to that person, and after that what you have to do, you have simply if you have Android, then you have to simply press and hold the app, and after that you have to simply delete all the storage of the app. But if you have iPhone, then you have to simply go to general, and after that you have to simply go to iPhone storage, and after that you have to look for the TikTok app. And here what you have to do, you have to simply click on that, and you have to click on offload the app. And as you send the message, you have to simply offload the app, and you have to delete the message, and all of the data will be deleted. So in this way you can simply delete that message. So hope you have liked this video. When you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.